all liquids are not soluble in each other. Some liquids are insoluble, and the term used for that is immiscible, like oil and water. Oil cannot dissolve in water. In fact, that is the reason why bile is useful in the case of digestion, because fats cannot be dissolved in water. So, they need bile. Bile emulsifies fats. Otherwise also, when you cook at home, in a curry you will find oil or ghee is always floating on top. Why? Because it is immiscible, number 1. Number 2, oil is lighter than water. So, if in a lab you want to separate oil and water, you can use a special type of funnel which is somewhat like this. There is a stopcock. We put the mixture of oil and water in it and let it stand for a while. After a while, oil being lighter will come on the top. Then you can put a beaker below it, open the cork, water will flow in it. Once the water has totally gone out, you can change the beaker and collect oil. This kind of funnel is called separating funnel. So, the application of this method is that oil and water can be separated. And even when we are extracting iron from its ore, the waste which is called the slag can be removed by this method. During extraction. Now, what is sublimation? Sublimation is when a solid directly changes into gas. And in last chapter we studied there are some such volatile substances like naphthalene, camphor or ammonium chloride. Now, imagine if you have a mixture of a substance which is volatile and a substance which is not. So, what you can do? Do sublimation, heat them. The one which is volatile will change into gas and move out, and the one which is not will remain there. Something like, say there are two friends, one gets angry very easily, other does not, and you want to separate them, irritate the one. The one who gets angry easily will move away, will storm out, and who will be left? Only the other one. So, another method can be sublimation. For sublimation, you will take the mixture in a watch glass, cover it with a funnel, plug it with cotton, fix on a stand, heat. Ammonium chloride will sublime and will be on the neck, and salt will be left behind. So, when you remove the funnel, this is where you will get ammonium chloride. And in the watch glass will be salt. So, just by having to know the difference in their physical property can be useful in separating them. So, even when you want to separate people, if you know their basic nature, you will be able to separate them. But why should we do it?